How much thermal paste should you use when building your PC? And this is one of the most common questions for first-time PC builders, and the motivation behind creating the thermal paste practice tool, which allows you to both practice your thermal paste pattern application, as well as to visualize how these patterns will spread when installed in your PC. One of these practice tools will be included with every single yeast or paste tube, and I hope it gives you the confidence to apply the perfect amount of thermal paste in your PC.